we're going to do a simple example here of how to create a basic appearance and also use um, text to pattern prompting, which is an AI driven fill creation tool within Photoshop to create one aspect of the look of this. But before we get to doing the text to pattern, let's just give this some initial looks. So we'll go in, I'm going to create another fill here and we'll place this one down below. We will make that just a red fill. And then obviously we can't see it right now, but what we can do is always make sure you have things selected first, then click on the fill area. We'll go to effects and we'll just use transform to move this fill a little bit off to one side. So maybe let's say 0.1 and 0.1 inches. And so it just sort of offsets it there a little bit. Click OK. Then create a stroke on this type. I'll just go with kind of this light colored off-white that I've used recently and something else. So there you see we have the initial black fill, the stroke, and then the underlying fill that we moved over and down just a little bit. From there, I could take any one of those attributes and go in and do like a drop shadow or something. So let's do that. We've got a black drop shadow here. Let's click OK. Oh, see, I didn't have that selected, so it wasn't showing. Let's try it again. So drop shadow, there we go. And I actually have this set to multiply, fairly opaque and not real blurry, so that it's a fairly crisp, looks close and relatively hard-edged as far as drop shadows go. So that is the beginnings of a fine look that could be used as a graphical style. But then the new thing that we want to explore is then selecting this, taking the fill, and then, so we've talked about swatches, color mixer, gradient fills. Here's the other one, text to pattern. So when I click on this, there's just a prompt area and I can type whatever I want in here. And you can see I have, already tried like gritty black, or I could type flowery pattern, or you could type like whatever you wanted. So let's just try something else. Wavy, I don't know, wavy with seashells or something. I have no idea. We'll just try something really random and see what comes up. It'll take a second. It'll generate something and be very unpredictable what it is. Okay, so that's kind of nice. So you can see, yeah, you can choose any that you like. If there's one that's like pretty good, you can also do generate again if these aren't quite right, or you could say, I like this one, but let me edit it. Let me make a swatch. We're just gonna stop there for now. We'll talk more about patterns in future, but let's say, okay, let's go with this one. That's kind of interesting. From there then, we can take this and we can go with it selected into graphical styles. Click the plus sign there, create a new graphical style, and then from there, any other objects that we start to select that we want to apply that look to, it will, use that graphical style and apply it, and it's saved and it's reusable from here on out.